You guys have a chance to win a $20 Taco Bell gift card. Leave a bunch of comments down below. The more comments, the more chances you have to enter. And I'll basically just pick the winner and post it on my community post. I love you guys. Turn on those notification bells. It's the only way I can engage with you guys on a regular, and I love you so much. So enjoy the video. Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome to my fat ass moment. I'm super excited for you guys to see this video because I haven't had Taco Bell in the longest time. I'm actually here with my mom right now. So mom, say hi.
Hi everybody.
And today is a special video. I've been wanting to do another collaboration video because it's been a while. So I'm actually doing this with my really good friend, Eat with Karen. Mom, I'm doing another video with Karen.
Oh, hi Karen.
My mom loves her videos. Yo, my mom's like, subscribe. Her most recent video is her mukbang for Pizza Hut, and I am jealous because the nearest Pizza Hut is like Target, like 35 minutes away, which is really fucking far. But she just did Trader Joe's and a Dunkin' Donuts. I actually wanted to do a Dunkin' Donut collab, but of course she did a video a little bit sooner than I knew, so maybe in the future we can do like a breakfast video. But she mentioned something about Taco Bell, and I jumped on that really quick, so my mom knows I love Taco Bell, right, Mom?
We do.
So I ordered 3 things, and I have a drink. Oh, it's right here. I got a small Pepsi. I haven't really been drinking soda, which is like weird. I've been only drinking water, so this is probably gonna taste really sweet. I was debating though, because my friends always get the Baja Blast, and I haven't had that ever. But Pepsi sounded really good, so I got a Power Bowl, and I was telling her, it kind of reminds me of like a knockoff Chipotle bowl. And when I was out with my friends one time, they all got these. You can get like a veggie one too. But this looks so bomb. Mom, look at it.
Oh, that looks good.
Doesn't it look good?
Yeah, that is good.
It's basically like a knockoff Chipotle bowl.
It is a bowl.
So I got that. Then I also got a Fiesta bowl, and this is what I was telling her about. I think it's like a couple dollars, but it's like loaded potatoes, and it's so good. Like, this is my favorite thing now. Like, I love loaded potatoes so much. And then I also got my usual Loco Taco. I like Cool Ranch and nacho cheese, but I got Cool Ranch with just beef cheese and sour cream. They always forget to put the sour cream on, which makes me so angry. This looks really good. It's just like a Chipotle knockoff bowl, kind of. It has like everything just like piled on top. Guacamole, cheese, lettuce, pico de gallo. Didn't eat all day. Black beans. The air just turned on. I've been kind of sad lately because of hater comments.
I know, we have to deal with them once in a while,
but it's hard because, like, the only people that understand, like, hater comments are people who make YouTube videos. So
they're just part of
I have a couple YouTube friends, like, really good friends. Karen's one of them. I, like, bug her way too much, though. So I'm so sorry. Your DMs are always filled with my messages. She's cool, though. It got way too dark to film this video in the car.
Well, it gets some dark so early. We have to read comments.
You guys have been sending a lot, and I'm so sorry. I used to be able to reply back to all of them, but then I was shooting a TV show, and I got very busy, so I wasn't able to reply to anything, so I just give them a big heart. I read everything, though.
That's
I'm starving, guys. I haven't ate, like... I've been eating, like, 600 calories, like, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So my body's, like, starving.
You have to be camera ready, that's all.
And I know I can do better with eating. I've just been, like, so busy. I haven't eaten in such a long time. Wouldn't you say this is the most I ate all week?
Yes, I would say I agree.
Alright. Wait, all the chicken just fell right on my fork.
Is it good? You seem to enjoy it.
Alright. Now, I'm gonna eat the Fiesta Bowl, which is literally just loaded potatoes. I think you can get other toppings on it. I just asked for a Fiesta Bowl. It has sour cream and like hot nacho cheese. It's so cold. Boo, Taco Bell, you could have done better.
And it's a tiny thing.
I think it was $1.19.
That's like a tiny little appetizer size.
Now I'm getting full, guys. This needs to be nuked in the microwave.
Oh, it's cold?
And then read some comments.
I hope people go back and watch you old Taco Bell.
Yo, guys, watch all my old videos. My old videos make me laugh.
They gotta watch the taco in the sleeve.
It's so hard to film in the car. I should use a straw. I don't know where it is. It's very sweet. Me and Karen posted like 2 videos together. So we have a Domino's and we have a Subway video. Subway was fun. I love Subway. Okay, let's get this taco. This is like the best part. This is a Taco Bell taco. Okay, this almost fell right on me. Oh, it's so soggy. This is the worst part about this food gets soggy, like super fucking soggy.
Good?
It's good. It's just beyond soggy. Oh. So what have you been up to, Ma?
Oh, working, hanging around the house, doing stuff with you, being supportive.
How was sending me off to film a TV show?
Nerve-wracking.
Were you scared I was getting kidnapped?
Yes. They had you sequestered away from everybody for a couple of
Wasn't
days.
able to talk to my family for like 3 days. They like took our cell phones. This is very soggy, so I'm not gonna finish this. Lies. Keeps going at it. Is this so soggy?
Oh, eat it. It's fine.
Alright. Let's read some comments and then I'm gonna let you guys go. Because this is getting like super fucking messy.
It's messy.
Yeah, this got like so messy. Alright. What's your password? I guess we're starting off with a hater comment. That got 3 thumbs up. Wow, you guys are so nice. I hate when people smack. I am so sorry.
How else are you supposed to enjoy your food?
Kay's Life commented on my video. I always wanted to start a YouTube channel, but I'm too nervous. Then, this is what you should do. You can create your own podcast with a picture and just use your voice as audio and be very comfortable and learn how to speak to an audience, grow your audience on YouTube, and then when you get popular, maybe you can unveil yourself and showcase personal videos like vlogs or mukbang videos, whatever content you want to create, but don't be nervous.
Great suggestion.
Because if you have people who are going to watch your videos also and judge you for posting videos on the internet, then just prove them wrong.
Yeah, be yourself and enjoy it.
It's fun because when you have an active audience, it's almost like you're talking to your best friends. So that's my advice if you guys want to start a YouTube channel. Let's see. Carly commented, LOL, you're not my cup of tea. Good luck with your channel. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it anyway. Your view is appreciated.
That's right.
Let's see. There's a lot of comments, but they're very similar. So I'm trying to find like different comments.
Well, just hello to everyone that commented. Mama says hello.
Yeah, I'm just going to say your guys' names maybe. That'll be easier. Because a lot of you guys were just like, pick me to be your winner for your contest. So that's always a thing. And there's another contest too. $20 Taco Bell gift card. Sierra won. Let's see if I can find her comment in here. She won the McDonald's one. She was really sweet though. She was like the only one that said please. Like all the comments were like pick me, pick me, pick me, and I just found the only comment that said can you please pick me. Like, alright, so Ariana, hello. Kay, hello. Canadian Mukbang said awesome. So thank you for watching. And she said Merry Christmas, so thank you. Hopefully you guys had a good holiday. Let's see. Bex XO, thank you for commenting. I see your comments. Let's see who else. Little Bean said subscribed and I hope I win. Enter this giveaway if you're watching the video. I think that's all the comments I'm gonna read. You guys, there's a lot here. Like, I'm not even bullshitting. There's a lot of comments, and I appreciate all your guys' support. It means the world. So just, like, click on one of my videos and to see a bunch of comments from you guys, it's really cool. Mom, do you have anything to say?
Well, just to keep thank you for the support, and more videos to come. We're enjoying ourselves, and it's very wintry out here in New Jersey.
It's
So I
cold.
hope everybody's
It's very
warm wherever
cold.
they
I think it's
are.
supposed to snow
Yeah, stay safe on the
on
roads.
Saturday, and it's Thursday. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will keep you updated when I appear on MTV. So check my community posts, spam my social media, be engaged with me so I can communicate with you guys, because I knew you from the start and I love you guys so much. And Karen, thank you so much for doing this video with me. I love your videos. You know I like spam you on a regular, so thank you so much. And guys, check out her channel too. Please subscribe. And that's it. It's so awkward to actually, excuse me.
Thank you, Karen. Bye, everybody.
It's so weird to be filming like in my home. I'm so comfortable in a car.
I know, right?
Peace, guys. Thank you for watching, and go get some Taco Bell and enter my contest. All you guys have to do to enter my contest is comment down below, like up the video, turn on your notifications, blah, blah, blah. Guys, before you click out of this video, make sure you comment down below. You guys have a chance to win a $20 Taco Bell gift card. All you have to do is spam my comments. It gives you more of a chance to win. I read everything. Right, Mom? You read every single comment?
We read every comment.